here to give a presentation on Jhaji Store, the taste of Matla. Jhaji Store is a Bihar-based food startup that is famous for giving the quality and pure traditional pickles and homemade food product. It is popular, it became to the customers with social media and e-commerce. It is started by Mrs. Kalpana Jha and Mrs. Uma Jha with very small startup in Darbhanga. It is started in the year of 2020 in the period of COVID-19 where all the companies faces very difficulties to run their businesses. Moving to the next slide, mission and vision of Jhaji Store. The mission of Jhaji Store is to deliver an authentic taste of Mithila while supporting women empowerment, girls' education systems with creating multiple job opportunities. It gained popularity after appearing on Shark Tank India, which is very great opportunity. The vision of Jhaji Store is to make a brand company famous across all over the countries and build a strong trusted brand, but not only in India but also globally. Moving to the next section, I would like to call Shruti for explain further.
Thank you, Amisha. Now, I would like to talk about the business journey of Jhaji Store. As we know that the company was established during the COVID period in 2020 as a small homemade pickle business in Darbhanga, Bihar. In 2021, the company appeared on Shark Tank India and asked Rs 50 lakh for 2.5% equity. In the year of 2022, the company online sales increased very fast and customer trust also became stronger. In the year of 2023, the company opened a new warehouse for faster delivery. And from the year of 2024 to 26, the company continued expanding across India with more customers. Today, it is becoming a popular homemade food brand in India. Now let's discuss about the product offered and speciality of Jhaji Store. The company mainly deals in pickles, chutneys and murabba. Their products are special because they give a real homemade taste and are made using traditional Mithila recipes. They use natural ingredients and focus on hygienic packaging. It also has a women-led startup which creates a strong connection with customers and it inspires women to start their businesses. It has a various positive customer reviews because of its good quality and taste. It also has a strong repeat customer base which shows the trust of the brand and satisfaction with the customers. Now Sumit will continue.
Thank you, Shruti. Now I am explaining business model used by Jhaji Store. Direct to consumer, directly sell product to consumer without middleman. Revenue source, online products sell. Repeat customer, premium homemade pickle pricing. Sales channel, official websites, e-commerce platforms, social media platforms. Target customer, people who prefer health, homemade food, health conscious consumer, customer looking for authentic Bihar taste. Next slide is about marketing strategy and major challenges. Marketing strategy, strong social media impact. They usually using social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Storytelling branding using founder's journey. Influencer and food blogger promotion. Shark Tank India publicity. Focus on authentic homemade branding. Customer review and word of mouth marketing. Major challenges: limited initial funding. Competition from big brands like Priya and Patanjali. Building customer trust in online food. Scaling production while maintaining quality. Logistics, delivery and management. High digital marketing competition. Now further slides will be explained by Ravi.
Thank you, Sumit. Net worth analysis of Jhaji Store. Moving on to financial highlights of Jhaji Store, let's look at the current net worth and valuation breakdown of Jhaji Store. The company currently values at 66.2 crores, in which founders holds a major piece of the pie with the 61.3% of ownership stakes, which translates to a value of 40.2 crores. The company raised their total fundings 1.3 crores, which shows strong growth and high equity retention for the founders. Financial growth of Jhaji Store. They started with their initial investment of rupees 10 lakhs and closed their first financial year with 11 lakhs of revenue. From there, the business took off and revenue jumped to 75 lakhs in the following year and skyrocketed to 2 crores in the financial year 2022 to 2023. Today, they are maintaining their strong momentum while exceeding their monthly sales more than 25 lakhs, and which represents of massive 400% of business growth. They achieved this efficiency and impact while cutting their operational cost by 30%. Most importantly, this financial success allowed them to generate a meaningful revenue for the local women of Darbhanga. Now moving on to next slide. Future growth of Jhaji store. They want to expand their product range, increase online sales, expand warehouses and distribution. They want to enter international markets, increase product quality, create more jobs for the local women. Future goals of Jhaji store. They want to become a leading pickle brand in India. They want to promote the Mithila food culture, maintain quality and purity, increase revenue and profitability, strengthen customer trust. They want to expand global presence in the world.
So, it's all about Jhaji store. Thank you.